what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also that little notification bell so you guys can see more upcoming videos of mine. So on today's video, girl, I am so excited. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the most amazing mirror, my amazing vanity mirror that I've been dying to show you guys. I finally able to show you guys. I wasn't able to because, girl, I've been working my little butt off, but I had my day off today, so I'm like on a roll with videos. This is my second video, so if I look familiar, it's because it's my second video. So the vanity mirror that I want to talk to you guys about is this one right here. It's so big. Look at how big it is, but it is by Glamcor, and it's the Riki Loves Riki. As you guys can see, their little logo right there. I just love it. Isn't it freaking gorgeous? Like, if I was able to give every one of you one of this, I seriously freaking love it. I hope I can get another one because I want the big one and give this one to my daughter. But anyways, let me get started, you guys. I had to move it over here so you guys can see, but this mirror comes with 3 accessories. The first one that it has is this little clip right here where you can put your phone. Now, what you can do is you can put your phone right, you can put this right there, as you guys can see. Clip right here, and then you put your phone right here in the middle. So it has magnetics in the back, which is in the middle, on top and at the bottom, and I love the fact that you're able to charge your phone. So girl, you know this is really good for any beauty bloggers because we love to do lives showing our makeup, or maybe you just want to take pictures while, you know, charging your phone or whatever the case may be, FaceTime, I don't know, you know, but I love the fact that you can charge it in the back. So there you could, you know, do your little lives. And it also, I'm not done yet. It also comes with the little control remote. Now this one right here, you can take your selfies without touching your phone. So all you gotta do is just connect it via Bluetooth. So you connect it and then and it will take pictures by pressing the button right here. And this also controls your vanity mirror. So I'm gonna turn it off. Just look at how that looks. Control. Then I'm going to turn it on. So that's the lowest setting. So that's number 1. Let's bring it down to number 2, number 3, and number, oh, I went down, sorry, and number 4, and number 5. So it has 5 settings, guys. I swear, when you take selfies, and you guys have seen my Instagram, when I take selfies, when I do video, I just look so freaking flawless because of the light. And I love that it's LED light, so you don't have those big old bulbs that you have to change, you know, because they're gonna go out. They don't go out. It's LED light, and it's not even hot at all. And I know the bulbs get hot because if my lights over here get hot, those light bulbs get really hot. So the third accessory that it comes with is this magnetic mirror that you can, you know, plug. Oh, girl, you can plug your brows. Oh gosh. And just see all the things you have on your face, like really magnetic. So this one, you can just either use it with your hand or you can place it in the middle. Let me place it on the bottom so you guys can see that it has different, you just gotta find it, right? Oh, right there. Right there, and also right somewhere here. Right there. So it has different place to place it, but yes, I love the fact that it comes with this because this is perfect just to plug your brows and all that. Box, your instructions come in there, like with everything that it includes and how to assemble it, which is really easy. The only thing you got to do is pull this big old thing out of the box, and then at the bottom right here, let me show you guys. So right there at the bottom, that's where you slide in your mirror, and in the back of that, that's where you can tighten it just so it will move around. And right there, that little square, you guys can just touch it and also turn it off, turn it on, and change the settings. As you guys can see, that little square is where I can plug in my phone and charge it. And then the other black one, it's the power cord. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to connect to your control remote. So all you got to do is go to your Bluetooth settings. All you got to do is just press your Bluetooth button on your control. And there it is. I hope you guys can see it. If not, you guys know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to click it, and it's going to, it says pair. Riki Loves Riki would like to pair up with you. Yes, girl. So I am now connected. Now I'm going to go on my camera. I have my big mess, but it's okay. So I just want to show you guys that it does take pictures. Which is really, really cool. And let's see if it does videotape. Girl, it does videotape as well. So I love the fact that you can do that. So there you guys have it. This makes it so easy to take pictures. I seriously, now that I have this, I'm like, I don't think I can live without it. Like, it's so freaking cool. I love the way that it just makes my vanity look really nice. And also, guys, in another video, I will do everything that's in my vanity, because everything that you guys see here, I built it myself. I can't believe it. I swear I'm so proud of myself for building this thing. I know it's something little, but I'm like, I did it all by myself. And I finally now have a vanity, and with the mirror itself, it's so freaking gorgeous. I love it. I'm going to show you guys how everything looks with the lights off, because I do have my studio lights, but I want to show you guys how powerful it is. So just hold on. Okay, so this is how dark my room is. I know, the magic of lighting. This is how dark my room is right now, you guys, without my setup. This is how everything looks when the lights are off. I feel like the lighting is amazing. It's really important to do your makeup in good lighting. So I feel like this vanity mirror is it really does the job, because if you do your makeup inside your restroom with yellow light bulbs, your makeup is not going to look the same once you step out. Or if I'm just doing my makeup inside with a random mirror, it's not going to look the same. So I think lighting is key when you're doing your makeup. And also, I love the fact that it's really travel friendly. It's really lightweight, so I can travel with this. You know, it's just two things that I gotta, you know, put together, and it's really lightweight, like I said. So if you have like a photo shoot coming up or anything like that, you can take this and take some bomb ass pictures with your mirror. So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope that it was helpful to you guys. And as you guys see how big that mirror is, they also have a little miniature size, I think around this size, just to put on your vanity. If I have any discount codes or anything, I'll put it down below, but I'll link you guys down below to the mirror itself. It's amazing. I love it. You gotta have it. Girl, I'm obsessed. I don't even know what to say. I just have nothing but good things to say. So, and I also got a lighting setup for when I travel and do freelance. So that setup, girl, that changed the game, because I used to take a ring light, I used to take a softbox, and now it's just one little thing that turns up, lights up all the room. It's amazing. So you guys stay tuned for that if you are a makeup artist and, you know, you travel and do makeup. So that will be an amazing light. And I will also link it, but I'm going to do a review for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications for more videos like this. Bye-bye.